So we have the laundry room. This is the kitchen. Wallpaper. That's not granite, it's corian. Not seeing any water spots. So this is living area, but you can tell when you walk on the floor, there's a little vibration. There's a crawl space. It's not a slab. It's these homes here. It's not a. It's just that one spot over there. Probably needs to be reinforced floor joist. So this is our front door. All your vents are coming from under the house. The crawl space. You get this cool little area back here with your little bar, little gathering common area, and then this we'll go back out here. Little workshop. It looks like in this back door goes outside, and we'll revisit that actually in a minute. Alright, so here we go. We'll start with this room. Once again, we're in the dining area. So this looks like the master bedroom. You have her closet. Looks like this is where they kept their shoes. And I've got it zoomed out, so it's kind of a tight spot. This is access panels for the plumbing, probably to the shower. I hear a slight buzz with these lights, but we have a walk-in shower. Pretty deep basin there. Looks in decent condition. It's back when they knew how to tile showers. Once again, back out in the dining area, living room, and that other common space there. And then we have a bedroom here. And then you have your workshop, it looks like. We have a closet. Bifold doors. Looks like there's some personal items left here. So we have another bathroom here. Private commode, shower, tile, a fiberglass tub. Actually, no, that's cast iron. Yeah. Now, linen closet. There's a very faint smell. Just the age of the home, maybe. Then we have another bedroom here. Another closet. Pretty big. Very long. Alright, heading back out. Another closet. Front door. Nice palm tree. All right, back in the workshop. Looks like this may have been closed in or added on later. So we have a sump pump for the crawl space in the house. HVAC, Goodman. It looks, I'm not sure exactly how old that thing is, but they tend to get beat up pretty good around here. You've got your neighbor. Decent sized yard. Privacy fence from most everybody. Access panel to the crawl space. These utility lines need to be tightened up, hanging pretty low. So no garage, but you got your carport. You could possibly close this in and turn it into a garage. Looks like a little decommissioned pond. Magnolia tree. So the roof looks like it's in pretty good shape on this side. It doesn't really look that old. Couldn't really see much on the back side. It looks like there may be some flat roof back there. So this is the neighborhood. That's the utility pole. We have internet. So they just cut some little cable wires there. Not even using them anymore. Dryer vent. Looks like they had winterized the outside spigot there. Get some irrigation. Once again, walk the perimeter. It's just overgrown. Looks like wisteria. So you got brick fence, you got wooden fence, brick fence, chain link fence. And then you have a little wood on top of brick. And then you've got brick that's come down and metal. And wood on top of brick again. with wood. And that is a solid pine tree right there. So I think that looks like it drops into a flat roof. But I didn't see any visible leaks inside. So you got brick, and we've got hardy plank here. Back inside, no visible signs of water anywhere. No visible signs of water. Moisture in the ceiling. Just running through here, checking it all out. This is my final sweep. Ceiling has definitely been painted. Looks like I may have missed a spot painting there. And you have attic access here. And you have your electrical panels. Here. Your HVAC, which I feel cool air coming out, so that's good. It's just this spot right here moves a little bit when this all been scraped flat and refinished in here. It's nice. Once again, no visible signs of moisture. Wondering if they hadn't painted that. That's just discolored from that. It's hard to say. And something up here, shelving. All right. I think that concludes my assessment of the property. Probably just need to reinforce a joist here. Other than that, there's really no sagging. The roof line looks in order. Mechanically, structurally, seems sound. Does need some updating for sure, but you know, it's what you want to do with the property, make it your own. We've got another HVAC. It's thermostat. So I guess that's the HVAC thermostat. This must have been fire. This is a medical. Oh, this is an alarm. Okay. Whoops. My bad. I'm like, I called that a thermostat earlier, like an idiot.